In this video, we'll show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to switch your search engine in Chrome, whether to use a different one or to revert to Google, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, open Google Chrome. You can see that my current search engine is Yahoo. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Search Engine. On the right, click Change to see the available search engine options. For example, you can select Yahoo and click Set as default. Alternatively, you can click Manage Search Engines to see more options and make changes from there. Once you've made your selection, when you open a new tab in Search, Chrome will use your new default search engine. That's it. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.